Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. This creamy homemade potato soup is the ultimate comfort food. Rich, smooth, and packed with flavor. This easy potato soup is made from simple pantry ingredients and finished with cheese, bacon, and fresh chives. Perfect for cold days, family dinners, or meal prep. This classic soup comes together in one pot and delivers big flavor with minimal effort. It's inspired by Preppy Kitchen and John Cannell. I will put a link to his page down below in the description box so you can check out his channel. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to chop some onions. Then we're going to mince our garlic. And we're going to peel and cube up our potatoes. We're going to shred our cheese. Cook and chop up our bacon. And chop up our green onions. In a large stainless steel pot, we're going to melt the butter over medium heat. Then we're going to add our diced onions and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until soft and translucent. Then we're going to stir in our garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then we're going to sprinkle our flour over the onions and stir constantly for 1 or 2 minutes to take the raw edge off the flour. We're going to slowly pour in our chicken broth, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Then we're going to add our milk, diced potatoes, salt, pepper, and paprika. We're going to bring that to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Then using an immersion blender, we're going to blend until smooth or blend partially if you'd like some texture. And finally, we're going to stir in our cheddar cheese and sour cream until fully melted and creamy. Do not bring it to a boil. That will make the cheese separate and it'll be grainy. So we'll taste and adjust the seasoning. So there you go. Potato soup. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.